Hello, everyone. Thank you again for joining us to learn a little bit more about OpenSearch. Today, we will learn how to accelerate agentic search application build using our newly launched feature, the OpenSearch Agent Skills. I'm Aruna. I'm Aruna Govindaraju. I'm an OpenSearch specialist architect. OpenSearch Agent Skills was launched late last week. It lets AI coding agents such as Kiro, Claude Code, and Cursor to build search applications and analyze observability data with OpenSearch. I have with me today my colleague Oveis, who will show us how easy it is to build an agentic search application with OpenSearch Agent Skills. Oveis?
Yeah, hi everyone. I'm Oveis. I'm an engineer in Amazon OpenSearch service, and today we'll talk about how easy it is to set up agentic search using agent skills. Developers today can go from idea to working prototype in minutes using agentic IDEs like Kiro, Claude Code, and Cursor using agent skills. And in this demo, we'll see how easy it is to set up agentic search. That is one of the retrieval strategy of OpenSearch using agent skills. Agentic search was launched in Amazon OpenSearch service with the version 3.3. It introduces an intelligent agent system that understands user intent, orchestrate the right tools, and then generates an optimized DSL query for you. Now, coming back to agent skills, these are the available skills which we have right now: search, observability, cloud, migration. And to use agent skills, these are the prerequisites like Python 3.11 version, UV package manager, Docker desktop, or Docker to have OpenSearch running locally. And if you want to deploy the local OpenSearch cluster to your AWS deployment, then you would also need AWS credentials.
So, what are the things we will be seeing today, Oveis?
Sure, we have got three steps. First, we will install the agent skills in Claude Code, though we can use this with different agents like Cursor, Kiro as well, and any agent that support agent skills. Secondly, we'll spin up a local OpenSearch cluster and build an agentic search app. That's our use case will show. And third, we'll deploy the whole local cluster to Amazon OpenSearch service.
That's just awesome. And does OpenSearch Skills directly deploy onto cloud without building on local?
So the goal is basically to play with it on your local cluster, and then if everything looks good and the searches looks good, you can deploy it on your Amazon OpenSearch service cluster.
Got it. Yeah, that sounds awesome. Go ahead and show us how we would install the OpenSearch Agent Skills.
Sure. Agent skills can be installed using npx. This is the same OpenSearch agent skills GitHub repo which I just shared. So I will install it using the npx command. Now the skill is installing. We have to select like OpenSearch skills because that is the one we are installing. It is asking us like what type of agent, additional agent do you prefer, and we can select Claude Code. And then it is asking about the installation scope, like do you want to install with project based or global. I want OpenSearch skills for my global, so I'll install it that way. And then there are two ways to installation method. One is symlink, and second is like copy to all agent. I'll go with the recommended one, symlink, and proceed with installation. We have installed the agent skills. That's how simple it was to have agent skills as part of our agent. Now I open Claude to verify whether the agent skills is available in the Claude agent, Claude Code. So I'll quickly ask, which skills do you have?
Boondoggling. I think Claude is coming up with some interesting words to contemplate on while it's doing its job.
Yeah, those are some interesting keywords. We can see OpenSearch skills is available here as part of Claude Code. And now we can move on to the next step to build the agentic search application. Can you help me create an agentic search application? The way agent skills work in OpenSearch is it works with 5 different phases. The first phase, it will ask you about like what type of data do you want to install. It also has some kind of predefined data. We have added some IMDb data set just for playing around with the search application. The second step would be the planning, or it will ask you about like what right retrieval strategy it needs to be picked. But since we have already provided agentic search, so it will probably skip that step. The third step is like it will come up with a plan and architecture. Like this is the retrieval strategy, this is the search pipeline or model I want to install with. And fourth step would be to execute that plan only once we approve it. And fifth step would be, if you like, you can deploy it to Amazon OpenSearch service. Or you can deploy to any cloud as well. But in agent skills for now, we have support for Amazon OpenSearch service. So it says like now for phase one, I need to click some sample data. Either provide your own files, you can provide your own sample data set or some URL to fetch for the data from, or use the built-in IMDb sample data set. For now, we'll go with the built-in sample data set. And one good thing about agent skills right now is like it also looks up into whether you already have a local OpenSearch cluster running. so that it can utilize that. Or if there's no OpenSearch cluster running, then it can ask you like, do you want me to create a local Docker container? So it fetches the latest OpenSearch image and start the container from. You can see here it has loaded the sample data, which is provided as part of the predefined data set. And now in the phase two, it is asking us. So the question which you asked, Aruna, like, I think this is exactly what it was, right? Whether to install it locally or deploy to AWS.
Yeah, it says deploy to AWS later, which means it will still deploy locally. And then we have an option to promote the deployment to the cloud.
Exactly, that's correct. For now, we'll start with local only, and if everything looks good, then we only will deploy to cloud. Now, coming to agentic search, we have two different types of agents which are available in agentic search. One is the flow agent, and second is the conversational agent. In the flow agent, it's mostly used for the use cases where you have search bar kind of use cases where you'll provide a natural language query in your search bar, and the flow agent is will just go through the tools it has, and it will create a optimize DSL query from the natural language query which is provided. It doesn't support memory and all because since it's in the search bar. Whereas compared to conversion agent, it's a your agent which can be useful for use cases like in the chatbot, which can also support multi-turn conversion. So let's say for an example, I have a query like find me red color shoes under $150. And if I have another thought like, okay, instead of red, just find me the blue one. So the agent would remember, okay, there was some price filter which was added by the previous query of $150. It will also accumulate that, find blue color shoes with $150. And these are the agents which are supported in the ML Commons agent framework. We have a bunch of agents out there like flow agent, conversation agent, conversation flow agent, and PER agent, which is plan and execute agent. But for agentic search, we support two type of internal agent, which is part of OpenSearch itself, flow agent and conversation agent. Now, for our use case, we'll go with the flow agent. As discussed, yeah, here is the phase three, which the Claude agent has brought up with like the architecture plan for agentic search app. It says like it will create a index called as IMDb agentic index. It will register the LLM model of Amazon Bedrock Claude in OpenSearch cluster. It will create a flow agent with these tools. These are again internal tools of OpenSearch, which are also available through the OpenSearch MCP server. It will create a search pipeline because we need this agentic query translator processor attached to the index for agentic search to convert the natural language to DSL query. And finally, it will spin up a search builder UI for you to look into the search responses and try and play with the search application.
So the agentic search pipeline is using our AI/ML connector from OpenSearch, is it, to connect to models?
Yes, agentic search uses the AI/ML connector, which we have as part of OpenSearch to register the model, which is deployed on Amazon Bedrock.
Got it.
These are the execution steps. It will create this index, model, flow agent, and agentic search pipeline, and finally launch the search builder UI. As we approve the plan and the agent executed the plan, we can see here it has created an index. It has registered the Bedrock model, and this is the model ID we received from OpenSearch. We can see the docs, the sample docs also index into that index. Flow agent is also created for agentic search, which is the internal agent of OpenSearch. The search pipeline is created and attached to the agent, and the search application, agentic search application, is live at this URL.
Yeah.
So that's how easy it was to set up agentic search.
I can also see the search builder UI getting created. There is a pipeline attached. Now let me launch the search builder UI. So now you have a builder UI as well. Now that just finished in just few minutes.
Yeah, and then we can look into the search builder UI. So this is the search builder UI, which is launched by the agent with agentic search application. It has given us sample queries as well, which are generated by the Claude agent itself. So, and this uses the same index which was created by the agent already attached to the UI with some size. And you can also see like these are the title, description, and images. These are the fields of the index. Now I will just select one of the movie and make a natural language query. So as you can see here, our flow agent was able to understand the natural language query and it was able to generate a DSL query out of it. So this is the DSL query which was generated by the flow agent. You can get the same search response with natural language query as well.
That's awesome, Oais. Very impressive.
Yes.
Hey, Oais, while you were showing the demo on Claude Code, I also installed the OpenSearch Agent Skills on Kiro CLI. I launched the Kiro CLI and I've given what are the skills do you have? And it was able to read the skills MD file and give the list of all the skills. which are installed, including the OpenSearch Agent Skills or the Launchpad. And I gave a question saying create a search application, and it was able to quickly give me the plan, ask me what method, what kind of search application I want to build. I think in your case, it did not ask because you already mentioned it has to be agentic search. But here, since I just said search application, it gave me a choice as to what kind of search I want to build. And I chose hybrid and local deployment. OpenSearch Agent Skills gave me the architecture plan, which once approved, I was able to quickly deploy the application. And by the time you were done, I was able to launch it on the same local host 8766 port. Let me show what's there. I have the application which is up and running here as well. So what should be the next step, always?
Yeah, that's really interesting, Aruna. I think we have tried with Claude and Kiro as well now, and skills look promising, and it was able to build a hybrid search application in your case.
Yes.
Now the next steps are we have different steps like you can either evaluate your search quality, whether the search response you're getting are of the right relevancy, and or you can deploy it to Amazon OpenSearch service as well based on your preference. For now, we can deploy our whole local OpenSearch cluster and the whole agentic search application which we have built to Amazon OpenSearch service. So I'll just say deploy.
That was awesome, Oasis. Thank you for showing us the demo. So today we installed the OpenSearch Agent Skills, and we created an agentic search application locally, and we quickly deployed that to the Amazon cloud as well. So we saw all of this happened within minutes, and the entire agentic search application development was accelerated using the OpenSearch Agent Skills.
And the best interesting part was like the whole time we were talking in the natural language. We didn't do any kind of context switching between doc, CLI, and console, and no code was written.
And we showed in both Claude Code as well as Kiro. So is that the only agents that we support?
We do support cursor as well and any other agent which supports agent skills.
So OpenSearch Agent Skills is agent agnostic then by design.
Yeah, yes, it is agent agnostic.
Thank you, always. I completely enjoyed this demo, and I was able to quickly follow along and repeat the installation of the OpenSearch Agent Skills. So thank you, viewers, again for staying with us till the end. And do look at OpenSearch Agent Skills and start building your search applications, your agentic search applications, and let us know what kind of use cases you are building.
All the links and install commands are in the description, and the repo is OpenSearch Agent Skills. So thanks for watching, everyone.
Thank you, everyone. Bye.